Okay.
Okay. 3.
Hello, everybody. This is me, Cookie from Cookie Girls 2. And I'm babysitting today. Do you want to introduce yourself, midget?
I'm Matt, aka Pokestar, but actually today
I'm actually his sister in a roleplay, but that roleplay isn't going to be a personal thing. Okay, our game's going to start soon. We are playing Murder.
Look, I can make parkour.
You have my play metal? Metal? You have my play metal? Yeah. Same. Sim.
Hi, Belora. Hi.
Cool. And him. That's not Belora, that's Baby. Oh, she crawling. I'ma hide. I'm innocent. Wait. Whoa. This is a whole new map.
Look, I'm on top of here. Can I jump?
Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump.
Where am I? You never know.
I can't run anywhere, so.
Ah.
Ah, you. I can't find you. There's a midget over there. Need the face. I did it. It's like, I'm on a dinosaur.
Where are you?
Max, where are you? I see you. Max, I'm above you. Hi.
Can I run on top of the dinosaur?
Yeah, come on, just follow me. You have to come with me, though.
Yay.
Oh, we died. New game. Enter a new game, quick. Hurry.
No, I'm not going into a new game. I'm staying.
No, join a new game because I'm already in a game. It's going to start in 20 seconds. Just join.
Did I blink?
Yes.
Yes.
Become Max. Become
Hi.
Max. No, you're not Max.
Oh.
There you go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
It's so
2.
hard to do. Look, I made it.
We're on the new map again. Innocent. Now let me show you how to get onto the dinosaur.
Hey, look, I'm up here.
Where are you? God, I suck at babysitting. I never babysat
Over
before.
here, look.
I just saw someone freaking die.
Behind you.
Oh my god.
Behind you.
Oh, come over here.
Look, I'm gonna jump. Ready?
Don't jump.
Jump.
Come over here. Oh my god, you're inside the books. Come on. Let's actually go on top of the dinosaur. Last time we died.
Someone died here.
Yeah, I know. Come on. I watched it happen.
He's
Run!
a murderer.
I know that's the murderer. She tried to kill me and I escaped.
Nice. But then they said
Oh my god. Who is it? It's that night person. It's game night. I watched.
Look. Hey, bye. I'm gonna disappear. I'm gonna run away.
It's game night. Run away! You're going closer to the game night. One, Max, one. I'm following him.
Oh, hi.
Wait, who's left? Who's left?
I
Tell me,
grew up.
who's left?
When I die, I grew up.
Max, who's left? Is it just me or is it more people?
It's just you. And
What?
Another person named Dragonfire.
Yeah. I thought it was that Frisk person, but then I saw him kill someone.
It's just you.
It's just me now? Oh god. He knows where I am, I think.
No, he actually doesn't.
He doesn't? Is he looking for me? I thought he saw me because he looked.
Yep, he sees you.
Yeah, he sees me. I know. He's gonna try to jump.
When I die, I grow up, but you didn't know.
Okay, now I hear you. I fell! Crap! It's the C word, the C word. I'm trying as fast as I thought he was up there, but then he jumped down. I'm gonna do a tiny piece of homework.
Oh, I'm back here.
Let's join the game. 3, 2, 1, poop. I joined the game. Woo!
I'm in the game.
Yeah, same. Oh, you're so tiny. So tiny. So cute.
Tell me when the game starts.
So. And it's Komi-sama game night. It's not Komi-sama. It's Komi-sama. I am innocent forever. What? Wait. Okay. Don't kill me, please, if you're the murderer. Yeah.
I'm not murdered.
Oh, okay. Don't kill me, okay? Don't kill me.
Wait, I can't. I was trying to, but I didn't. Because I love you.
Someone's over here. Someone's over here. Oh, I'm gonna take this gun part. They're just
I
jumping.
love you too much.
Boing, boing. Okay, we good. Wait, I'll make sure no one's by you. I'll make sure no one's over here to see you. Kill him. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Okay, no one's here. Okay, we good. I'm looking for gun parts so I can shoot an innocent. So you can win. Oh no, game night's here. He's gonna think I'm the murderer. Game night was in the bowling area. He's probably gonna think I was the murderer. God, I'm scared. Don't run. It's following me.
You're my babysitter.
Don't jump like that. He's gonna know you're a murderer because I can't sprint. None of us can sprint except for the murderer. Don't jump.
I killed Game Night.
Oh, good job.
How many more left? And where are you?
I don't know how many people are left. Oh, I'm in the party room, eating like cake and pizza.
Help me find.
No one's in the party room, I think. I'll look around more though. Oh wait, they may added a new area in this place. They added a new area in the party room. Oh, brings you down to the stair. If you go to the upstairs, go upstairs where I died.
Sorry about that, but I love you too much, and you're my enemy.
And go where the green present is, right here, right over here, and then go down.
Oh.
It brings you down to the stage. Someone is in the venting machine somehow. Let me figure out how they got here. Go to the go to that spider painting in the front area. No. Where the entrance is. Go to the entrance. It's in by Bonnie. Okay, we know. Over here, no, turn back. Turn around. Go where Bonnie is and then jump over Bonnie. He's the purple one. Bonnie's purple over here. The carousel, go to Bonnie. And then turn. And this is the entrance. Over here. See this huge bush? You see this bush in the middle of the place? This is Will. Boy! Let's go to the arcade. And you'll see. Go to that gate. Look, see, she's in there. Now, go to over here in the other room. Go in the other room by it. I told you to come with me. It's over here. It's over here, Mikhail. Go in the over here in the other room right here. Go over here. See. Now go to the spider picture. You can go inside the spider picture in the front area where the desk is. Over here. No, over here. See these red pillows and this ugly bench? Over here. See the bench? Now go in the spider picture. Now you can get to her and she has no escape. Kill her. Yes. Okay, the last person is in the Herobrine photo. In the same room. It's right by the books and the blood. Yay! You won!
Dang, I thought about killing you.
Well, at least I helped you and we won. You had like only 5 seconds left. Okay. So cute and oh my god, so many people have more player models now.
Too innocent, right?
We have like 11, like a few more minutes left until this video is over. So
I'm
much.
a good hider, right? I'm a seeker.
Yeah.
I was able to kill you.
Oh, we're in the hotel. I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
I'm lonely. I'm going to the hidden area I just found about. Thanks to you.
What hidden area? What? We are in FNAF.
I died.
Well, tell me who killed you. Who killed you?
I don't know. Was it you?
It wasn't me. I'm innocent. I just asked.
What?
What?
You just died somewhere.
What? Who killed me? Can't be her. She's AFK. It's not her. Wait, who's killing everybody?
That's the game. Go.
Did you leave the game or something? What? I'm so confused.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you?
Yeah. Don't feel good. Eats chocolate. Everyone's eating chocolate when I can't eat chocolate in here because we're werewolves.
We can eat substitute.
Yeah, but I don't like eating vanilla. I'd rather eat strawberry and stuff.
Well, we can't eat strawberry.
We can eat bacon. It's just not good for us.
Yeah.
I have an idea. I have a baby potion, so I'm just gonna put it on me and become a baby. Okay, I'm good. I'm a baby. I'm an innocent little thing. I'm innocent. Wait. I'm on the street. I'm on the street. I'm coming. I see you. I'm at the door. I see you. Wait up. Oh my freaking god. What the freak?
How did you become a baby?
Yeah, but then I put a baby potion on me. We should hide there if the mother is cheap. Get it. Wait, it disappeared. How? It disappeared. It's gone. You broke the hiding spot. Kyle. Max. Why are you supposed to hide now?
No, I know who it is. It's
Who is
the
it?
girl that was with us. I would have killed her.
Who is it?
I was about to kill her. The girl that was near us. You know the shiny girl. Unless you died.
No, I'm alive still.
It's the shiny girl.
At least I told everyone it's her. It's only dragon.